Morning everyone. This is our project number 7, temperature alarm. Next slide. Our group name is Quadratic Bob and members Abogado John Paul, Bascogin James Robert, and Sultan Adrian. Temperature alarm. This is the diagram. This is the picture. Next slide. The list of components is jumper cables, buzzer, and temperature sensor. Next. This
So
is the
here we
source code. Please explain John Paul.
here we are the source code of the project number 7. We have here the temp and intemp pin to pinning point for the 0. Void loop setup, serial begin 496. Void loop temp is equal to analog read for temp pin. Read the analog volt from sensor and save the variable temp. Temp is equal to temp times 0.488281225 semicolon. Convert to the analog volt to its temperature is equivalent. Serial.print temperature. Serial.print the temp for the display of temperature value. Serial print, then C, then serial print ln. For the delay is 1 seconds update sensor for reading each second. Next slide. Here we are the our sample of our project number 7. And that's all. Next slide. And for the
Reference and
reference,
credits. Thank you for watching.